job performance and leadership, we have to start looking at the two aspects of job performance. There is the technical aspect of job performance, and that quite easily is what it is you hire people to do. You hire people to be salespeople. You hire people to fly an airplane. You hire people to do a specific task. And in a triangular form of organization, that's basically all you pay attention to, all you reward, and all you need. Okay? But now that we're in the 21st century and we are all in forms of team-based or inclusive structures. And by the way, we see team-based and inclusive structures in our children's school systems, in our hospitals, in our parent-teacher associations, in our condominium association meetings, in our neighborhood associations. So this form of organization is a lot of places, right? And what we know is what impacts a team's effectiveness is not only the technical or the what it is we're hiring people to do, that technical competence, but the non-technical competence, the how people behave when it is they're doing what it is you've been hired to do. Okay? So what we've learned is the technical aspect of job performance was typically what one would define as management. And the non-technical aspect of job performance is really what we start to see as leadership.